How to clear cache or update Bolt app. If your Bolt app feels slow or buggy, clearing the cache or updating it can fix most issues instantly. To clear cache, open your phone settings and find Bolt in the app list. Tap on it, choose storage, and hit clear cache. This removes all temporary files but keeps your account safe. Next, head to Play Store, search for Bolt, and tap Update if a new version is available. Updates usually improve performance and fix hidden bugs, so it's worth keeping the app current. Clear cache once every couple of weeks. It keeps Bolt running faster and prevents write tracking errors. How often do you update your apps? Weekly or only when they break? Tell me about it in the comments below. And that's how you can clear cache or update Bolt app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.